This is a portable handheld mini label printer. I mean, look at it, guys. Dope tech, right? It literally has a full alphanumeric keypad on it. You can literally type anything, take text to print out, create labels on the go, and so many more features using it. It's like super useful for all age group people, either for your home purpose, office purpose. Everybody can use it, and it's mainly used for like organizing and naming things. For example, students, college students, they can greatly benefit from these sort of stuff. Where was this during my education, man? Anyways, this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video, guys. I'm like super excited to talk about this product. It's made by Brother, and let's get started with the video. So a brand new portable handheld label printer from Brother came in this sort of box packaging, very compact sort of packaging. You have the Brother branding over here. Model is P-Touch H105, and this is the printer I was talking about. It's available only in this one color, but has so many features and stuff you can do over here. It's like pretty mad, guys. You'll get to see that in a moment. As I've told you, it's basically like a thermal label printer and has so many features. First of all, it supports multiple variety of TZE tapes from 3.5 mm to all the way up to 12 mm. So 4 different variants are available in different colors also. So I'm like pretty excited to unbox and show it to you in this video. There you go. As soon as you open it, we have a brand new printer at the top, Brother P-Touch H105 in the hand, and oh my god, look at this. This is actually very compact in size, but it weighs around like 390 grams, I believe, guys. And along with that, you also get a free sample cassette in the package. You usually have to buy this separately, guys, depending on what sort of width you want. As I've told you, available in 4 different variants. This is a sample laminated TZE tape in 12 mm edition. And along with that, you also have some paperwork. Just make sure to read that for all the info on how to use and operate the machine. Alright then, that is pretty much it. Keeping all of those aside, let me give you a closer look and talk about the design and build quality of this printer. First of all, initial impressions, it's a very compact handheld printer and feels quite comfortable in the hand. It's got a very ergonomic design. I mean, the whole shape is pretty nice and also has like a display at the top. Display is capable of showing 12 characters in one line. You have the Brother logo here, says P-Touch, model is H105, and has lots of buttons on it. So there's a power button over here, print button is there, a dedicated menu is available, clear text option is there, and enter key. And going down, there's a full alphanumeric keypad available. Basically, you can type in any sort of text, numbers, anything, and take a printout of that label. And apart from that, it even supports special characters also. I think around like 177 symbols or something. I'll show you all of those in this video. And if you're wondering what this neon yellow sort of button is, well, this is a manual cutter to cut the label. So going to the backside, here you have some details mentioned regarding menu and a couple of button shortcuts. So choose between any of these options available. We'll talk about all of that in depth once we get started. Below that, you also have like a cutout to check out what sort of cassette is there in the body. And on the bottom, you have a DC in port. Basically, this printer can be used in 2 modes. You can either run it on battery or even on a DC adapter. Choice is up to you guys. So taking out the compartment is very simple. Just click the button over here and there you go. This is how the body opens up. So on the inside, here is where you will be installing the TZE cassettes, basically tape cassettes, available in different sizes and variants. Below that, you have the battery compartment. So if you want to run this on battery, you'll need to install 6 AAA batteries over here. You can either go for alkaline batteries or even rechargeable NiMH are also supported. And there you go, boys. Here's how the cassette sits like. Very simple to use and easy to configure as well. Just put the cassette, put back the compartment cover, and that is pretty much it. You're all good to go. What I'll do is I'll quickly install batteries in this system and I'll use it for some time and then be right back to continue this video. So guys, I'm back to continue the video. I've been using this label printer from Brother for quite some time and now I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback on it. And apart from that, I'll definitely give you some real life demos as well and basically show you how easy it is to use this particular product. As soon as you power it on, it'll ask you for basic information like the language that you would like to read the text in and width size, margin size and these sort of stuff, and that is it. It's all set up and you're good to go. First of all, let me give you like a closer look at the display on it and talk about that. It's got a beautiful monochrome LCD display and is capable of displaying 12 characters in one line. And apart from that, it also can display some status indicators, like for example, if caps lock is enabled, it can show size of the text and also indicate a couple of other stuff. So moving on, you've got lots of buttons and functions on it, and the main function button is your menu. Using menu, you can access all your general settings or maybe like text settings that you would like to adjust and customize everything from there. Beside that, you have the clear button. So if you've typed like a lot of information on the display and you want to clear all of that in one go, this is your button, guys. And beside that, you have the print command. So print is basically used to like execute the final step and get your printed label out. So you can print multiple copies also, or single copy as per your requirement. And below that, you see these 4 buttons over here. These are your text customization features. If you want to customize your text, for example, if you want to change the size of the text, it has 3 options. You have small, medium and large, and then you can even change the style of the text. So if you don't want like the standard sort of style, if you want to apply like italic font, or maybe you want to go for like bold format, same as how you would do in MS Office, now you can do all of those features over here also. But crazy part is not just simple styles, you can even apply like beautiful frame borders to the text. Using this frames button, you can actually do that. Plenty of options and designs are available. Just click on that and choose any of the available and hit that, and it will apply on the text. And lastly, you also have something like auto designs. So if you don't have time to customize each and everything, a brother is actually offering like pre-installed auto designs feature over here. So you can choose like different categories. If you want to print something for people, or if you want to print labels for your business purpose, office purpose, or maybe like pet tags, you can simply select that category now, and it will automatically apply that appropriate format and give you your printouts. And one more thing I forgot to mention is, this is not your regular ink sort of printer, guys. It's a thermal label printer. So thermal label printer doesn't require any sort of ink, so that's a good thing. You don't need to worry about keep replacing the ink on this thing. So basically in these thermal printers, you have like a heated print head. So when this print head is pressed on a heat sensitive cassette tape, it will automatically generate that lettering in black sort of color. So if you talk about the tapes also, there are like plenty of cassette tapes available in different sizes, from 3.5mm to all the way up to 12mm in 4 different sizes, all offered by Brother only. And there you go, boys, we have like a couple of models over here, different sort of cassette tapes, one in 9mm, this one is in 12mm. The sample we got free in the package was like black on white tape, and apart from that, you also have like a red on white tape in 12mm and 9mm in black on yellow tape, and all of these are like laminated tapes, guys. So what happens with these regular thermal printers is, after a couple of days now, the text on these labels start disappearing. That is not the case over here. Since these are like laminated and text is inside the layer, the text won't disappear that easily on these labels, guys. So that's a good thing Brother is claiming with this particular model. Okay, moving on, let me just give you some practical real world demo and show you how this label printer works. If I want to print my name, let's just quickly type in my name, Vimal, Vimal, and Chintapatla. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly change the size of the text and also apply like a star frame to it. And that's it. You just need to click on this print button, and there you go, boys, your print will come out. So before actually taking a print, you can even have like a print preview also on the display. So that option is also there. And this is how the print comes out. That was almost like instantaneous, right? Super convenient, I would say. And once the print comes out, right, you have a manual cutter at the top. Just click on this manual cutter once the printing job is done, and that's it. Boom, your labels are printed and good to go. Oh wow, this is actually very good, right? Quality of the labels are very good. Text is crisp and clear. Black font on white looks very nice and attractive. Clear and easy to understand is what I can say. And since they're laminated, you don't need to worry about the text disappearing also on long run. And best part about these labels, what I felt is, it's got adhesive tape at the back side. You just need to peel off these stickers just like this, and that's it. Now you can stick them onto any sort of surface. If you talk about the applications are like endless. You can use it in everywhere, guys. You can use them as bookmarks. You can use them to name a lot of stuff. For example, in my home, what I've done is, we've got like switchboards in our house, right? So people usually tend to confuse the switches in the switchboard. Which switch is for what appliance? Like you have tube lights, fans, and all of that. Now people usually confuse and switch on multiple number of switches to get to the direct application. Here you can simply start naming these switches just like how I've done in my home, and now you don't need to worry about using the wrong switch. Directly see that you can toggle the fan switch or maybe like tube light switch, and it makes your job very easy and convenient. I've used this label printer for my kitchen appliances also. My mom usually gets a bit confused sometimes, with the salt and sugar containers. So I've easily named them salt and sugar labels. Directly I've applied stickers on these bottles, and now my mom doesn't get confused. See that she'll pick up salt if she wants that, or sugar directly. So I also have like lots of SSDs at my place, and usually I keep getting confused like which SSD has what sort of content. So now you can easily name them. For example, if I have this SSD SSD with all the movies on it. I can simply name a movie's label, stick it onto that, and that's it. Now I don't need to be confused with other SSDs. I can directly pick up the movie's SSD whichever I want. So just like this, I felt it was a very useful label printer, either it be for your home purpose, office purpose. Students can greatly benefit from it, organizing your files or maybe, creating bookmarks, and, applications are endless as I've told you. So that is pretty much it. This is what I wanted to talk about and show you in this video. If you talk about the price of this particular model, it's pretty reasonable, I would say. This thing costs around like 5,750 rupees and is available on Amazon. So links for that will be available in the description box below. Only thing, if I had to say it was missing, was barcode label printing support. That's not available on this model. And one more thing I felt is the printer was actually leaving some safe margin at the beginning and end of the labels whenever you're printing, and this was actually wasting the tape a bit. So what you can actually do is, instead of going for like single label printing, you can type in multiple words or names at the same time and take a printout simultaneously, guys. This will actually save a lot of cassette tape, and you'll only have like a little bit of wastage at the beginning and the end. So that is one small suggestion I can give you. That is pretty much it. This is what I wanted to share with you all in this video. What do you people think about this product? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to check out something really interesting. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.